Hello guys, in this video you will learn that how to use the hole command. Hole command is used to create the hole inside any geometry. So for that purpose select the hole tool. Once you select the hole tool, it will just select the placement. Now just if you want to select the top upper surface, so first select on this box and then select the surface on which you want a hole. So I am selecting this surface. Now see, you can see the imaginary hole where you can see the two things. The one is diameter and second is the depth. So first of all change the diameter from this box. You can enter the diameter as 100. See, I have entered the 100 diameter. Just press enter button. Now now here you will have to specify the dimension or specify this hole on this surface. So for that you will have to give the two references. So see which kind of references I am giving here. This is the offset references. So select once here, click here to select the two references. It is asking to select the two references. So this is the first reference, and just press the control button and press the second reference. Now see, I just have given the two references, so it has taken the dimension from these two planes. See, this is the first dimension and this is the second dimension. I am just entering the dimension as a 250 and the second dimension will be also 250. So see, you can see how the hole is situated here. You can see this in a default orientation. This hole, this is the throughout the hole. See, this is the throughout the hole. For that purpose you can edit the dimension. For making the throughout hole, just select the through up to hole, means the third option, that is the drill up to the next surface. Now see, you can see the drill up to the next surface. Okay, so this is your simple hole which you have make here. Okay, now see, the same hole can be converted into the counter hole or the countersunk. So for that purpose just go to the edit definition. Once you have selected the edit definition, you can select the fourth option, first, second, third and fourth. This is the standard hole. Once you select the standard hole, so that two counter holes will be appeared here. The first one will be the countersunk and second one will be the counterbore. So if you select the countersunk, you can see the profile in the shape profile. So select the shape drop down list. Here you can see the profile. Just enter these all values. If you change this value, you can change the dimensions of a countersunk. Similarly, if you select the counterbore hole and uncheck the countersunk, so you can see the counterbore hole this way. So enter these all dimensions and you can create the countersunk hole as well as counterbore hole by using the hole command. I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.